I'm Sharon, and today I'm going to teach you how to rollerblade backwards. The first step to learning any rollerblading trick is safety. So first we have to put on our helmet, and if you have any elbow pads or knee pads, I would recommend wearing those too. Hopefully you won't fall too much, but it's always a good fallback to have. So for the second step, you're going to want to find a line. We're going to use this line to practice some of the techniques that will help us to skate backwards. The first thing we want to do is put our left foot on the line and have our right foot to the side like this. We're going to make sure we're bending our knees, and we're going to make a half circle with our right foot. Try to stay on the line as much as possible. If you can find a thinner line than this, that'll be even better. But you're just going to practice going back and forth, following the line with your left foot and circling your right foot. Try not to bend your ankle too far inward. Keep your ankle out, your knees bent. Go back and forth. Once you've got it on the right foot, then you can practice on the left foot. And keep doing this until you feel comfortable. Once you've mastered doing one foot at a time, you can try putting both of them together. So you're going to stand at the front of the line, have our toes pointing together, make sure we're bending our knees, and push back. You can practice going back and forth. And then once you've got that, you can try doing multiple circles, trying to stay with the line at your center the entire time. Now that we've practiced moving backwards on our right foot, our left foot, and both of them together, we can combine all these steps to skate backwards. So, we're going to start by moving your right foot back in a half circle, then moving your left foot back. Going right foot, left foot. Once you get comfortable with this, you can try picking your feet up for faster movement. And now we're skating backwards! How do I stop? To stop, you're just going to take your right foot, move it back into a half circle behind your left foot in a T position, and you're stopped. So now hopefully you can use these steps and learn how to rollerblade backwards. Happy skating, peace out.